How to translate any text with easy way with Google Translate. In this video I will show you a great application, Google Translate for text and picture. We go to Google Translate and here we have icon for write any text, and here we have the language of the text, and here we have the language we want to translate to her, like hello in Spanish, hola. We can also translate to French, bonjour, and Arabic, and many language we have. This is a great application. This is all we have in this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.